এলমা আপেল, উজুম আঙুর আঙুর, মুজ কলা, লিমন লেবু, আনানাস আনারস, তরমুজ তরমুজ, নার আনার, সাদক জাম্বুরা, উজুম মেভেসি বাতাবি লেবু. Both are same. You can say which one is easier for you. Portakal, Malta, Mandalina, Komola, Bektashi Uzumu, Amla or Amloki, Kaesi, apricot or Khubani. Apricot is familiar both in this country. Kiraz, cherry, chilek, strawberry, avocado. Hindustan ceviche, dab. When it's in raw form in Bangladesh, we call this dab, and when it's in dry form, we call this narkel. Kiwi. That's all for today. Subscribe to learn more.